Magandang hapon, good afternoon to everyone. Magandang hapon, maaga po magbigay na bago natin declare ang formal opening of this 2026 National Championship. I would like to thank everyone, especially the coaches. Araw-gabi tayo nag-chat, kung minsan namangulit pa kayo at ako'y minsan hindi natin nakakalimutan na pag-usap kung messenger para lang dito ay sa ating National Championship. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyo sa pagpunta ninyo dito sa Tagaytay City. Para natin ang ating mga coaches. Always say thank you to your coaches and athletes because without them, wala kayo ngayon dito. And always remember that. And of course, gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung ating napakasipag na tournament director, kailangan din sa likod, Marte. Palapakan natin sa mga Bruce Lee, yung ating tournament director. Alright, and for this, of course, also our national technical officials and international technical officials, nandito sila lahat. And by the authority vested in me by our National Federation sa mga Kickboxing ng Pilipinas, our National Sports Association of Kickboxing in the Philippines, I declare this competition open.